Hey guys, I want to make a review video on this phone holder, and this is a vent phone holder. And so I'll show you in a second. My dash on this Honda Pilot is just not quite made right to have a dash mounted one. But thanks a lot for them sending this product out. Really good, high quality parts. And once you connect it on the back, you can see that it's actually going to pivot. And then you can actually move the height up and down. So that would be the height going up and down. That connects the vent right there. Then you can tighten it down with this. And then how this works is once you tighten this down here, you can see how that hook extends into the vent. So you'd take that hook, you'd unscrew it so that the hook extends a little bit farther. Once you get it in there and hooked around, then you tighten it down. And that hook gets a little bit shorter. It would clamp down on your vent. Okay, so here we are in a Honda Pilot, and you can mount this two different ways. You can actually have it go lower, but that's not really gonna work because, I mean, I want it a little bit higher. So all you do is you just pivot this back around, and then it would mount up high. So that's a pretty good spot for it. But like I said, my dash is not made right, and sticking a dash mount up there is just kind of too far away. So this is a really good spot for it, and using the vent is super awesome. So like I said, you unscrew this, the clip extends, goes around there, you tighten it down, and let me show you. And there we go, it is on there, and you can actually turn it if you wanted to. But the way this works is that hook goes in there, clips around, and then it has these feet even that makes it even more stable. And so once you have it mounted, you just tighten it down, just snug and secure. You press this button here at the top, and that releases. You can pull the foot down like that, and then you can put your phone in there, squeeze it to secure, and you are good to go. It's not going anywhere. If it happens to loosen up, all you do is just tighten this. But again, you can move this down. It's already mounted, but you can move it down, or you can slide it up to where it's in a good position for you. And again, you can turn it side to the side or all the way to the side, and that goes horizontal as well. So that really works great. What a great phone phone mount holder, so that you don't just stick something into your dash or even onto your window. But yeah, you can even just move it over like that if you wanted to, just tighten up everything, move it off to the side. But yeah, really great phone holder, very versatile. You just loosen that up, bring it back to where you want it. Also, what's great about this is it doesn't block the airflow coming out. Some mounts have the phone right in front of the vent and then it blocks the air, but this is not really blocking. You can actually move it out of the way if you want, have full airflow. Yeah, that's a great perk of having this. So if you're looking for something like this is an awesome phone holder that connects to your vent. If you're looking for something like this, can highly recommend, definitely pick up one of these.